First off, imagine yourself in the heart of nature, surrounded by an array of wildlife in the Lagbadana Bush National Park. Located on the far southern coast of Somalia, this park is home to a variety of wildlife, including the lesser kudu antelope. It's not just about the wildlife, though. The park also boasts historical sites such as the ruins of an ancient city, making it a perfect blend of nature and history. Next on the list is the Tomb of the Unknown Soldier, a monument in Mogadishu that honors the brave Somali men and women who have laid down their lives for their country. This monument stands as a testament to Somalia's history, and its central location in Mogadishu makes it easily accessible for visitors. Then there's the Masjidka Isbahaysiga, or Mogadishu Central Mosque, the largest mosque in Somalia. This mosque isn't just a place of worship, it's also a popular tourist destination. It offers a unique opportunity to learn about Islam and appreciate its beautiful architecture. Now imagine a place where you can relax and soak up the sun while watching the world go by. That's exactly what you'll get at Lido Beach in Mogadishu. This popular spot is perfect for swimming, sunbathing, and people watching, providing a perfect break from the hustle and bustle of city life. Lastly, take a step back in time at the Somali National Museum, which houses a collection of artifacts from Somalia's history and culture. This museum is a treasure trove of Somalia's rich heritage and a must-visit for anyone interested in learning more about the country's past. So there you have it, a list of some of the best places to visit in Somalia. From the wildlife and historical ruins of Lagbadana Bush National Park, to the relaxing atmosphere of Lido Beach, and the rich history encapsulated in the Tomb of the Unknown Soldier and Somali National Museum, Somalia offers a unique blend of experiences that are sure to leave a lasting impression.